What if I told you that right now in Africa, people are turning simple machines into powerful moneymakers, and one of them can generate $80 in just 2 minutes by fixing a broken phone screen? These machines are changing lives because they solve problems every single day. From repairing shattered screens to producing egg trays and even running a mobile gas filling station, ordinary people are using these opportunities to build serious income. In the next moments, you will see how these machines work, why demand is exploding, and how they are creating new millionaires across the continent. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. The first machine solves a problem that millions of people complain about every single day, and that is exactly why demand keeps rising. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 6. Phone Screen Repair Machine. This is one of the most exciting opportunities on the continent because it taps into a problem every person faces. Almost everyone has cracked at least 2 or 3 phones in their lifetime, which means demand never slows down. This machine solves that problem in minutes. With an initial investment of about $2,000 to $5,000, you can repair screens fast, clean, and right in front of your customers. The service is quick, and customers are willing to pay a premium because replacing a phone screen can be expensive in most African cities. A major advantage of this machine is its speed, often finishing a repair in under 2 minutes. That speed means you can handle many customers in a single day. When a business offers quick service, high demand, and low operational costs, the earning potential becomes very strong. This is exactly why many small repair shops are expanding rapidly after adding this machine. This business is profitable because the raw material cost is low and the service price is high, creating a healthy margin. People from all income levels need this service, so you never run out of customers. With the right location and good service, this machine can become a daily cash generator. Wait until you hear how the next machine turns free waste into daily income. Number 5. Plastic Recycling Machine. This machine transforms one of Africa's biggest environmental challenges into a valuable business. Plastic waste is everywhere, and instead of being a problem, it becomes your raw material. The best part is that raw material cost is extremely low because plastic is collected from households, streets, businesses, and waste dumps. With an investment of $10,000 to $20,000, you can turn piles of discarded plastic into plastic pellets, tiles, and even building materials. The reason this machine is profitable is simple. Building materials and recycled products have constant demand. Construction companies buy in bulk, not one piece at a time, and supermarkets, hardware stores, and factories also need recycled pellets regularly. This creates a business with consistent repeat customers. Another benefit is the huge volume of plastic available. Africa generates millions of tons of waste every year, but only a small portion is recycled. That means there is more than enough supply for entrepreneurs starting today. With consistent production, low raw material costs, and strong buyer demand, this business offers steady growth and long-term potential. You generate income while also reducing pollution, so the business becomes both financially rewarding and environmentally impactful. Before we move to next, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 4. Mini Dairy Processing Machine. This machine opens the door to one of Africa's most underdeveloped industries. Across the continent, millions of liters of milk are produced every day, yet only a small percentage is processed. That gap creates a major opportunity. With an investment of $15,000 to $25,000, you can produce pasteurized milk, yogurt, and cheese, products used daily in homes, schools, hotels, and retail shops. One reason this machine becomes profitable is because processed dairy products have strong demand and higher selling value compared to raw milk. Pasteurized milk lasts longer, yogurt is consumed daily, and cheese is becoming more popular as urban lifestyles grow. With cities expanding and eating habits changing, demand keeps increasing year after year. The machine typically handles 500 to 1,000 liters per day, creating enough output to supply multiple customers consistently. Since dairy consumption is rising across Africa, small processors often find themselves serving supermarkets, cafes, and schools that need fresh products every single day. Low wastage, steady demand, and the ability to create several different products make this machine a strong income generator. When managed well, it becomes a stable business with reliable customers and strong long-term scalability. Number 3. Egg tray making machine. This machine is one of the most practical machines you can invest in because it turns cheap, widely available agricultural waste into a product that sells every single day. Materials like sawdust, straw, and cornstalk become your main input, and these are often free or extremely low cost. With an investment of about $3,000 to $12,000, you can start producing thousands of egg trays daily. This machine is profitable because it serves industries that never slow down. Poultry farms, egg distributors, and supermarkets all need trays constantly. Eggs cannot be stored or transported safely without trays, so the demand is automatic. The production capacity can reach 1,500 to 2,000 trays per day, giving you the ability to supply multiple buyers at once. The reason this machine performs so well is because the product has low competition, high turnover, and stable demand. Most buyers purchase in bulk, and once they trust your quality, they return regularly. Since the raw material cost is almost nothing, and buyers always need more, the margins remain strong. This creates a business that can scale quickly and provide consistent income with minimal operational stress. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up to support more small business ideas like these. Number 2. Toilet paper making machine. This machine offers one of the most reliable business opportunities because it produces a product used every single day by homes, schools, hospitals, offices, and hotels. With an investment ranging from $8,000 to $20,000, you can set up a production line that turns agricultural waste into soft, clean rolls of toilet paper. Africa's rapid urban growth makes this machine even more profitable. Urbanization has risen sharply over the years, and more people in cities means more demand for daily household essentials. Toilet paper is something that no one can skip, and consumers purchase it regularly. When a product sells fast and repeatedly, the business becomes highly sustainable. What makes this machine stand out is the low cost of raw materials. You are producing from things like sawdust and plant waste, which keeps the production cost minimal. With low costs and high market demand, the earnings can grow quickly. The business also benefits from bulk buying, since retailers usually purchase large cartons at a time. This machine becomes profitable because it combines a low cost of production, strong daily demand, and a product that moves quickly on supermarket shelves. It is a stable and fast-growing opportunity for anyone ready to serve a massive, consistent market. This next opportunity is helping ordinary people build real businesses with almost zero raw material costs. Number 1. Gas filling machine. Mobile gas station. This machine, often referred to as a mobile gas station, solves one of the biggest daily problems in Africa. Many customers complain about gas cylinders that never contain the correct quantity. Some cylinders should weigh 16 kilograms, yet they are filled with far less. This creates a deep trust issue that most consumers deal with regularly. With this machine, customers watch the digital reading in real time as their gas is filled. That transparency is powerful because it restores trust instantly. The investment ranges from $5,000 to $115,000, depending on the size and capacity you choose. The machine becomes profitable for several reasons. First, customers travel long distances to trusted filling points, even if cheaper vendors are closer. When a business solves a pain point like honesty and accuracy, people become loyal. Second, the machine can be mobile, allowing you to operate without depending on high-rent locations. Many owners eventually buy their own land to avoid landlords raising rent when the business becomes successful. Word of mouth spreads fast in this industry. Once customers feel confident in your service, They send others. Reliable measurement, high demand, and low competition make this machine a strong income generator with long-term potential. You have just seen how machines like the gas filling machine, the toilet paper making machine, the egg tray machine, and many others are turning simple ideas into real income across Africa. These machines work because they solve daily problems, and whenever you solve a real problem, the market rewards you. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for new ways to make money. It really helps more people find these ideas and keeps this channel going strong. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.